welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I am doing another Ipsy shopper haul. One of these bags is very heavy. I had to open it up and go through it, and I found out some fun stuff about while doing that. And then I've also got a box as well. Okay, so we're going to open up the box first. It weighs less than the bag does. I got another one of those from Ipsy Shopper, and it is in a box. It's not an actual glam bag plus. Let's see which one this is. Oh, okay, this one's not super exciting. This is just full of a bunch of masks. So these are Juice Cleanse masks. Juice Cleanse masks. And they have a raspberry and lentil, and then kale and grapefruit. These are interesting masks though. I'm pretty sure, yeah, so you tear it apart and then you dump the juice part into, you dump it into this part and it soaks up with that, and then you put it on your face. So that's really interesting. The back of it is mostly in Korean, so up there's in English. But yeah, basically you tear the two pieces apart, take the juice, pour it in this little like thing here that pulls out, and then inside here is just a mask that is like chill mask. It's interesting. Yeah, I'm interested to try these. I like masks, and these are definitely different kinds of masks. So this one is supposed to have vitamin C, coating sheet, pore tightening and moisturizing. That's the raspberry and lentil. And then the kale and grapefruit is brightening and moisturizing. Okay, both the vitamin C. Cool, so that's that one. Nice, quick and easy. I have to put these somewhere that's not this pink box. Okay, now on to the exciting one. Look at this. And it is completely packed full. So, from what I was pretty sure, I ordered 2 sets. What came were 3. So, there's some products in here that I definitely did not order, and I will explain why in a second. Let's start with what I did order. This was from one of their flash sales, and again, Ipsy's been doing a lot over the summer because everyone is stuck inside right now and all of that. Okay, hold on. That came with that. So, start with the things I did order. Actually, the first thing is not a set, but it is in fact the Madison Miller Midi palette, the Miller Squad from Ofra Cosmetics. I have been wanting to try some Ofra highlighters and blushes, and this happened to be in it happened to be in the sale, and I'm having a heck of a time trying to open this box right now. I'm just tearing it apart instead. Yeah, see, I am literally tearing it instead of opening the box. Oh my god. Ow. Why is this so difficult? Got the box in. Okay, so here we are. It's the outside of it. It's got the Ofra logo in the middle there, and then Madison Miller. I don't know anything about Madison Miller. I was mostly excited. Here's the inside of our trio here. We've got 2 highlighters on the outer edges, and then this pink blush in the middle. Let's swatch them on the inside of my arm. Okay, we got some swatches here. We've got the 2 highlighters on the outside, and the blush is a nice light pink, and the highlighters, we've got kind of a champagne-y, coppery color, and then a nice pink highlighter. Very nice. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm surprised, though, they didn't actually come with the normal Ofra stamping that they have. It's just a flat palette. Oh well, pretty excited about that. It's a nice little handheld thing there. I'll definitely be trying that soon. So that was the little palette that I got with it. Like product palette. Okay, so the first thing that is up is going to be this, which has the like little sleeping mask thing in it. I believe this is a like eye face kind of eye set thing. The inside, by the way, it has a little tag in here that says rules were made to be broken. And I've got one thing outside of the little bag. So what happened was I got this big pink bubble mailer, and then I had to like go through it and be like, oh, okay, what belongs with what set? Because then I realized there was extra stuff in here. And that's how that happened. Okay, so we got our bag. And the first thing that didn't fit in the bag is from Beauty Influence. It is the 24K Gold Glow Sheet Mask. I believe there are 2 of them in here. So, nice masks, chilling, lifting, hydrating, brightening, and soothing. Good for all skin types. The next thing in there is actually something I've had before, which is the Hey Honey, Look Into My Eyes Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask. Really good for those under eyes. I have lots of little lines under there because I don't sleep well and I have dark circles all the time, but I've really liked it. I got this in one of my Ipsy bags before, really enjoyed it, so now I have more of it. Happy with that. Okay, this right here is from This Works. It is a deep sleep pillow spray. It says fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. So it is a spray for your pillow. And I don't know what it smells like. It came with instructions. This is the actual little bottle here. And the directions are to spray your pillow or bed covering before you go to sleep. And then it's got the warnings on it. So let's see what it smells like. Lavender. Yeah, it's really heavy on the lavender. I mean, not like, oh my god, so much lavender, but it is definitely like lavender smelling, which makes sense because in aromatherapy, like lavender is one of the calming scents. It smells very nice. It's got something else in there that's not lavender, a little herby, but it is, let's see. It says it on the back. It says, expertly blended with essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and wild chamomile. Okay, so, you know, chilling kind of essential oils. That'll be fun. I have one of these actually from my Cos box that is something similar to this. We will see how it works. I have to be careful. I have a cat and she stays in my room with me at night, and so I have to be really careful on the essential oil products because essential oils are dangerous for animals. I do not want to poison my cat. That would be very bad. Moving on, there's one more thing in here, which is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. It's a little container of it. It's one of those with the false bottom, so it's not actually all the way. It doesn't really smell like much. It's just got the clay. It's kind of a light brown clay. So, yeah, nice little clay mask there. Sheet mask, clay mask, eye cream, and pillow spray. Interesting. And then the cute little thing here. I'm pretty sure that was all for this kit. I think there's this one other thing in here that's quite large, and I believe it belongs to the other kit, but it may belong to this one. So we're going to just say, here's the thing that's in this bag, and it belongs to one of them, and I don't know which one. And it is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask, which has this cute little face on the top of it there. And I'm really excited. I'm probably going to use this tonight. So it comes in here with one of those little plastic containers. So once I open it, I assume there's a like lid on the inside of it, or plastic. Yeah, it says plastic here. I can take this off, which I will do now so we can look at it. It's just a shiny white. There's an air bubble and then I just kind of got it all over them. So it is this very shimmery, kind of very liquidy mask, and then I'm going to put this little container top on here, and that's going to keep it from drying out. And now I have mask all over my hands, so pardon me for a second while I clean that up. Okay, I'm back from cleaning up. The mask, it started to harden really quickly. So it says it is, let's see, apply generously with the mask brush. Mask brush? It doesn't come with the mask brush. That's interesting. Yeah, so it says apply a generous and even skin with the silicone mask brush, and meaning that there would be one with it, but there's definitely not. Like I said, what I pulled out was an extra cap for the inside of it. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, peel it off, and then rinse out like normal. I don't have a mask brush, so that'll be interesting, but I guess we will deal with that. I will maybe use one of my brushes that I have and turn it into a mask brush, because once I do that, it's not going to succeed anymore. It's not going to work. Okay, I'm going to keep going. So this bag is this one here, which is the marble one. I've got this somewhere in my apartment at the moment. And in here we've got a number of products. The first thing is actually a brush that maybe I'll turn this into my mask brush. It is not a mask one though. It is a concealer brush. So it's got that nice little tip. Oh, it's nice. It's pretty firm. Yeah, I might use it for this. Normally a mask brush would be made out of silicone, and I do not have one of those. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Nice brush here from Bogachus. Hear anything in the background? It's just my cat. The window's open and she's in it. Okay, next up we have a product from Ojos. It says Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in the color Moonlight. Okay, that's what the product itself looks like. Very cute little compact here. Okay, pull it open. Oh my god. I'm losing to a single pan highlighter. Okay, there we go. That's what it looks like. It's kind of a pinkish highlighter. Man, I've got so many highlighters today. It's down here. It's kind of, you can't see it. It's like this silvery, shimmery highlight. So I guess following the moonlight theme, it makes sense that it's silver. That's really pretty. Wipe that off. I still have some the blush from the Madison Miller trio is doing a pretty good job of staying on my arm through all of the kind of rubbing that I'm doing. But yeah, a little fairy dust. That's cute. I like the name of it from Ojos. And let's see, what else do we have in here? We've got two things. We have eyeliner pen. Oh no, another eyeliner pen. But this one is actually in brown. Let me see if I can get it open. It is from Shaina. I'm not going to use it. I don't use brown eyeliner. I'm sure someone else does. It looks like it's a liquid eyeliner though in brown, which is definitely not something I need. Okay. Here we are. Little eyeliner pin here. Yeah, that's definitely brown. It's just a nice little felt tip here, but it is brown instead of black. That's kind of unique. I don't generally get eyeliner pencils in brown. But yeah, that can be passed on to someone else. I just got highlighter on the outside of it. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, next up, I'm so excited. This was one of the things that I wanted. Why I got this set. This set had two things that I really wanted. This was the first one. Colored Rain 24/7 lip color. Woohoo! Put some in the back. It is... Yeah, sorry, the color is 24/7. It's a matte lip paint. I like their doe foots. They've got the flat ones, and that is the color. It's actually kind of similar to the color of one of the other videos that I did of the Ipsy haul. It's got this same kind of pinkish color to it. I know that these are super long wearing. I am really excited for the Colored Rain lip color. This is going to be so exciting. Okay, and last up in this bag is the other reason why I got this. If you watched my previous Ipsy haul, you'll know that I got really excited over the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. Well, in this one, they have the Smoky Obsessions from Huda Beauty. And look at that. Look at that. Those browns. Look at that silver right there. Oh, isn't that super pretty? Let's watch it on the inside here. Oh, it's super metallic and silver. It does not do justice on camera right here on my arm because my arm is so pale, but it is so shimmery. You can pack it on for a lot more color or leave it as a light shimmer there. Oh, this is so exciting. And they got that nice, really good matte black down there. It's a mix of 5 shimmers and the 4 mattes. And this is going to be so great. I'm so excited. So I've got 2 Huda Beauty Obsessions now, which I am really excited for. Okay, and that is it for this, well, huge, oh, no it's not. Those are it for what I actually bought. Now we're on on to the surprise that came in this bag with me. So what happened was I remembered purchasing the thing with the eyes on it, and I remembered getting another one with the marble. What I did not remember getting was something with the animal print. See, I have one with the animal print somewhere. But this is how I knew I hadn't purchased it. This is the Stella & Grace Rose Roller, the Rose Quartz Roller. I already have this. I've already bought it from Ipsy. It's sitting right here and the roller is over there because I really like my facial roller. I really like it. And I use it when I get headaches and I can roll the sides of my head. It makes me feel better. But I definitely did not buy another one because I don't need more than one. So that was the first indication something was up. Next indication, this little bag here. Now, what is in the little bag, you might ask? Well, some sheet masks. Not complaining about that. I like sheet masks. I'll keep those. They are from Midflower and they are hyaluronic acid sheet masks. Next up, more Hey Honey Look Into My Eyes retinol and propolis eye mask. Love it. I will keep it. No worries on that one. This is tiny and I can see with my light that there's barely any product in it whatsoever. It's like mostly empty. This is the Confidence in a Gel Lotion Hydra Plumping Skin Transforming Weightless Moisturizer from It Cosmetics, and it is tiny and there's barely anything in it. So there's a teeny tiny amount of moisturizer. That's fine. And the last thing in this bag that was a total surprise to me is from Naked Cosmetics, and it is a lip scrub. It says it is vanilla cream. Let's see what it looks like. It doesn't smell super strong. It reminds me of like old lip glosses I used to have as a kid because they put the vanilla scent on it, but not like super strong. So it smells pretty good. Nice lip scrub. I have been mostly using a Pina Colada one, I'm pretty sure. Is that what it is? Yeah, Pina Colada from one of my other things that I got. One of the other sets I got from Ipsy. So I'm happy to switch it up. And I like lip scrubs. It smells really good. Okay, so now we are at the end of all of the stuff that I got, including some very exciting surprises that I got from Ipsy. 1 month I did double my Ipsy bag. It gave me 2 of them. So I don't know why. My friend got some eyeliner and I got some extra eye cream. Then I have some other things to pass along to people. I have some extra mascaras. Well, that brings me to the end though. Now, thank you so much for watching. While you're here, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, I would love that. Or not, I don't mind. And turn on notifications if you want to know when I post more videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.